Got a special delivery today. About to open up these two boxes and then I'll be back, show you guys what I got. So this is the first box. We packaged really nice. I'll put you guys on pause so I can get it all out and then I'll be back. More pieces to the puzzle. See what do we got here. Some sort of bracket. A surge protector with USBs. Let me open up that other box and I'll show you guys what that. So this other box has my power tool holder, drill rack, whatever you want to call it. Nice powder coated red. Can't wait to hook this up. Okay, about to open up this final box and I'll show you guys what it's in it. Okay, inside that box were these three 16 by 9 powder coated red shells. Once I get everything hooked up, getting rid of all this junk, and I'll show you guys the finished final product. Well, this is pretty much as far as I got so far. Still need to order some more hooks and stuff from Omniwall, but you get the idea. It does clean up the space, makes it way more organized.